Hi, Bridget Castelluccio, Digital Learning Consultant, here with the Digital Learning Team tip and trick about Gmail search features. Have you ever been looking through your emails and thinking, I have so many, but I'm looking for some specific ones that I really need access to be more efficient with my work? Well, let's talk about the awesome power of the search tools embedded in our Gmail. So I have up my Gmail, and we all know the magnifying glass. That's the time to search. And usually I just type in the person. But if I go to the bars over at the side, that's where the real magic happens. I have all of these different categories. I can search who it's from. So if I'm thinking about my teammate, Corey Rogers, who I do a lot of work with, I can put her name in. If it's also to someone else, I can include that person's name. If I can remember the subject, I can include that. So maybe it's a workshop, or I know it has computer science in it. I can think about specific words that might be in the email. So thinking about a project I might be working on or a workshop, I can exclude words. What I find as a really important feature is this date within. I get a lot of emails from my teammate, Corey, but maybe I know that there's a specific email that's happened in the last 2 weeks. So I'm going to do 2 weeks, and I can even search by, is it in my mail, my inbox, spam, and including, does it have an attachment? And I will do a search. And now I'm down to 16 emails out of the 1900 plus that I have. So it's super efficient and fast. I have additional options. I can change that date, add the attachment, do another 2, and always access those advanced searches. Such a powerful way to use Gmail search. I hope this Gmail search tip and trick will help you in your future work. If you have any questions, reach out to your digital learning consultant or check out the video notes.